Hey everyone, welcome back to Gurully's YouTube channel. If you are preparing for the PTE exam, you know how challenging the repeat sentence task can be. I remember my first attempt and I was so nervous. But don't worry, I have got you covered. In this video, I'll break down how it works, the best strategies, and the mistakes to avoid. Stay till the end because I'll share some proven hacks that can instantly boost your score. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more PT tips. What is the repeat sentence task? In this task, you'll hear a sentence only once and need to repeat it exactly as you hear it. The challenge is remembering the sentence word for word while maintaining correct pronunciation and fluency. This is what question format looks like. You'll hear a sentence that will be 3 to 9 seconds long. You'll have to repeat it accurately into the microphone. You get only one chance, no replay option. Scoring is based on content, pronunciation, and oral fluency. Sounds simple, but here's the catch. The fast paced and complex sentences can make it tricky. Let's break down how scoring works so you know what to focus on. How is it scored? PT repeat sentence is scored on three criteria. First one, content. The more words you repeat correctly, the higher you score. Number two, pronunciation. Your speech should be clear and natural. Number three, speak smoothly without hesitations, fillers, or unnatural pauses. Remember, even if you miss a few words, never stop. Keep speaking confidently and you'll still score well. Let's see some expert tips to ace repeat sentences. Number one, improve your short term memory. Focus on grasping the keywords rather than remembering every single word. Chunking technique. That means break long sentences into smaller phrases for easier recall. Example, the university has introduced a new policy for late submissions. Break it into the university has introduced plus a new policy plus for late submissions. Number two, train your ears for fast speech. PT speakers talk quickly. So practice with native English podcasts or news. Number two, use shadowing technique. That means listen to a sentence, pause, and repeat it instantly. Number three, speak confidently, even if you miss a word. That means if you forget a word, don't pause, instead, replace it with a similar sounding word or continue confidently. Number two, never repeat only half the sentence. Try to finish it even if imperfectly. Pro tip, a fluent, slightly incorrect sentence scores higher than a broken or hesitant one. Number 4. Develop active listening. That means don't just listen passively. Predict sentence structures while listening. Also practice with AI scoring tools to track your progress. Number 5. Use the right listen speak method. Listen to short sentences, write them down, and then repeat them aloud. Number 2. Over time, your brain will get better at remembering phrases instantly. Common mistakes to avoid. Many test takers lose marks due to simple mistakes. Here's what not to do. Number 1. Speaking too slowly or hesitating. Number 2. Adding unnecessary words. Example or and. Number 3. Stopping midway. If you forget a word, always complete the sentence. Number 4. Incorrect pronunciation. Use clear and natural speech. Before we wrap up, here are some extra tips to level up your score fast. Number 1. Use the 3-second rule. After the sentence plays, immediately start speaking. Number 2. Practice with AI powered scoring tools like Gurully to get real time feedback. Number 3. Record yourself and check for fluency and pronunciation errors. That's it for today's PTE Repeat Sentence Guide. If you found these tips helpful, Hit the like button and share this with your friends preparing for PT. Also, let me know in the comments what PT section you struggle with the most. If you want free practice tests, check out Gurully.com and start improving today. Subscribe for more PT content every week. Stay tuned for our next video in which we'll dive into the right essay task. See you in the next video.